Want to know exactly what your plants need? Don't guess, just use a mirror. This simple trick reveals hidden soil secrets in seconds. First, angle your mirror so light reflects across your soil. This will highlight textures, moisture, and even hidden life you normally miss. Now look closely. Shiny areas mean too much water. Dull, dusty spots mean the soil is dry. If particles shift easily, it's sandy or loose soil. Worms and tiny roots in reflection? That's a sign of healthy, living soil. Fix soggy soil by adding compost or sand for drainage. Revive dry soil with organic matter like leaves or kitchen scraps. Loosen compacted spots to help roots breathe. The mirror gives you clear answers, so you treat plants the right way. So before you wonder what your plants need, shine a mirror and let the soil tell you the truth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart garden hacks.